Yeah. Hey guys, it's Olivia. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be my final room tour, and I know a lot of you guys requested this in the comments, so I'm so excited to be doing it for you guys. And you're definitely sick of me showing videos of my room. I promise that this is the last one.
It will not happen again for a very long time.
So I'm just gonna go around and show you guys everything in my room. I already showed you like the TikTok stuff, so I'm not really gonna focus on that as much, but like all the other fun stuff in my room, I guess. Yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so the lights were just off, but like this is where my light switch is. It's like right by the door, but I'm gonna turn it on. I'm actually gonna show you what it looks like from the outside walking into my room. So this is the outside of my room. Fun fact, my room is the attic of my house. So like this is my own floor. This is my area for myself. You can see the stairs down there. This is my bathroom. I'm so lucky to have my own bathroom. Oh my God, you have no idea. Because little backstory, so sorry, I'm talking quietly because like my parents are working. I used to live in an apartment in New York City. My sister and I shared a bathroom, and our space was very condensed. And then 6 years ago, we moved out here. I'm not gonna say where because
Definitely not exposing my location.
but now I'm here. So let me just flip the camera real quick. What it looks like when you enter. This is my door. It's my photo collage. So then when you enter, my room looks like this. You can, okay, so I'm kind of go from this area. So this area of my room is the desk area. I literally just put this in, but basically you have this little carpet right here, which is like shaggy, I guess you could say. And then you have this little unit thing, I guess. And on top of the unit, these are my glass owls, and they're really special to me because they're from my grandma who passed away a few years ago. And then you have this little silver box. I don't know what that's from actually. And then in here, I don't know what's in here. Oh, just like papers and stuff. Yeah, I have to clean that. Here's my mirror. I talked about my mirror in my last video. Like, basically, I'm obsessed with it, so that's that. It's sitting on this towel because, like, we don't want to scratch the floor before it's put up. And then you move away from the mirror, and then you have this fun little outlet thingy where all my stuff is plugged in. And then under my desk, I have my own printer. The story behind me having my own printer, I know, like, a lot of people might consider that, like,
Unnecessary.
but since I'm located on a different floor than my parents, I have a lot of schoolwork, and usually I like to work late at night. Sorry, my necklace is like backwards. When I used to need to print stuff out, we have an office in my house, and that's where our printer is, but I would have to go downstairs and use that printer really late at night. So I would always like wake up my mom and my dad, and that's really not good. So they decided that it would be best if I just had my own printer on my floor so I could print out all my documents for school. Like, because sometimes I'll be working until like midnight or 2 a.m. even. Yay, school. Don't miss that. But that is why I have my own printer. I'm on the floor to show you guys my printer. But hold on, let me look at the model. It's the HP OfficeJet Pro 8035. And then we have my laptop. Yeah, it's plugged in behind here. And then you open up my desk drawer, and we just have a bunch of scissors, tape, rulers, other school supplies, and my graphing calculator. Yay, love that. So then if you open up this drawer, it has a measuring tape. These are my like pencils and stuff. And then this drawer, you open it up, and it just has like I use these like planners. This is like my school one that I don't use anymore, so that's why it's like that. You move over to this little area. These are my plants, my cacti. I got them from IKEA, and they're so cute. They sit here and keep me company. And then you move on to this unit over here, and there we have a photo of myself and my grandparents, and then my candles that smell really good. And then there's stuff in all of these drawers. So in the top drawer, it's like pens, markers, basically everything you need to like make fun posters or whatever. Like there's these glitter letters, there's highlighters, and then in the next drawer there's like textbooks. Yay, College Board. Yay. Okay. Binders. books from school back here. I literally stuff my binders back here because I don't go to school anymore. Yay, Corona. Because I used to like keep them in my backpack next to my desk when I worked, but like my backpack's put away now because we don't have school. So then after that you move over to this area, and this is my dresser laundry area. There's my laundry bin with all my disgusting clothes. My trash bin, look at how cute. And then there's the front door to my room with my lights. After you move on from the dresser area, this part of my room, like all of my friends are obsessed with this area in my room. Everyone loves that little closet over there. So I'll show you how cool it is. In the main closet, you have, this is belts, backpacks, tote bags, and then like drawstrings. It's organized like that. And then you have all of my clothes. My shoes are on the bottom. And then on top you have hats and like spirit stuff. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but like there's like sparkly bows and like whatever. There's my backpack. It's put away right now. And then you close this closet, right? And then you open this closet over here. But this is like my second area. You have like bathing suits, my sweatshirts. One of the coolest parts is these closets connect. So I don't know if you can see that, but you go into my shoe area. It connects. I'm hiding in my closet right now. And then I'm gonna go out the other end. I went out the other door. So go in one door and come out the other, and that is my closet. Okay, so next to my closet, we have my couch, which is back there. And the super fun thing about my couch is that it's actually a pull-out couch, so like I can have friends sleep on it. This pillow is really fun. I got it from Pottery Barn. Next to my couch I have an outlet for stuff. The skylight's plugged in there. And then next to that I have all these packages. I'm not gonna say what's in them because they're kind of for a video soon that I'm doing. Get excited for that. Next to the packages I have this unit, and this is my speaker, which I love so much. I got it for a Hanukkah gift a couple years ago, I think. It's connected through Spotify though. And then in this unit I have all these bins. This bin is full of like camera and filming equipment. I actually have my GoPro in here, my Polaroid, and then my other digital camera. I used to go to summer camp, so here is my camp time capsule. It just has like a bunch of old like camp gear and camp stuff. I like to keep it because it means a lot to me. I went to camp for 7 years and now I don't, because like you age out. And then next to my camp stuff, I have my glasses bin. I have like an entire bin for this. So fun fact about that, about all the glasses. So last year for my birthday at school, I had said to my friend like, oh, I really love like the cloud goggles. I think it's so funny. Like you should get them for me for my birthday. And I went to school and she gave me an entire pack of like 32. And so I gave them out to all my friends. I miss school. Anyway, so moving on from these bins. This one I have my jewelry box, and then oh my god, I have all of my BBW pocket back thingies. Oh my god. I was literally one of those kids that used to like try and make those videos of like the hand sanitizers. I'm sorry. So then after this unit, I have this other unit, and then in this unit, I have all of my electronics. In here is my 3DS. This was literally like my pride and joy at camp. And then I have my Beats, my like iPod for camp because you weren't allowed to bring like cell phones and stuff. And then I have my headphones, like other headphones, chargers, Apple Pencil. And then here I have like all of my sweaters and long sleeve shirts that I wear when it gets cold, like in the fall and stuff. This one is my favorite. You guys see me wear it like literally every video. And then on top of this unit, I have makeup organizer with everything in it, candles, and then some pictures. So one of my favorite bands is Pentatonix, and I've met them a couple of times and taken pictures with them, and these pictures are really special to me. And then you move over here, and of course you have my photo collage, one of the most fun projects I've ever done in my room. And then of course you have my bed. I can like try and tell you a little more about it. This pillow was like custom. This pillow I think I got from like Bloomingdale's or something. I don't know where this stuff is from. I love my bedding. I don't remember where it's from, but it's like a quilt. It's like kind of light bluish, turquoise-ish. And then you walk over here to the other side of my bed, and of course you have like the LED lights on top, my photo collage again. On my night table I have my remote for my LED light so I can like turn it off while in bed. And then scrunchies because I like to sleep with my hair up in like a loose scrunchie. And then here's my other mini photo collage. These are like my Visco pictures on there. And then in here you have my fish. Honestly, could not tell you where my fish is. Probably sleeping somewhere. This is my Google Home so I can play music from that and stuff. These are all of my pajamas. And this is my hamster. And I'll try and wake him up in a second. Mac and cheese, say hi. I think that's everything. So I guess that's everything for this video because that's literally my entire room. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to say that Kira and I have been receiving so much support from you guys. Like every time I look at the comments, they're all so nice and positive and just genuine good messages about our videos. It just brightens our whole day to read that, and it just really means a lot to us. We've been growing and gaining subscribers like crazy fast. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I love you all so much, and please continue to stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Love you. Bye.
You think you know him, but